It snowed.
A lot, and it's still snowing.
This is a little snow vlog because it never slows. It never snows in the south.
It doesn't.
When it does, it's big snow.
And a lot of things crash.
Yeah, the snowplow driver was almost crashed into my ditch. He did last year when it snowed.
Yeah.
But it snowed before we had our channel because it snowed early as shit last year. So I don't know what we're doing. Thing is, but I ain't got gloves on. He ain't got gloves on. I'm holding the camera. I'm a terrible cameraman.
Ooh, I have an idea. Is there yeast in there?
Probably, yes.
We can do a cooking video where we make bread dough.
What the fuck do we need? Get out of the snow. There's like a... Don't hit your ankles on that. That's how much snow there is.
It's supposed to be 12 inches, or I did the calculations, 30.5 centimeters for the people like Open Sky.
Yeah, why would we do a cooking video? And would we do it outside?
I don't know.
Oh, I hit porch.
You hit porch.
Yay. Hold this.
Oh, God. Can no one guess what this retard's doing?
Take your guess.
You're going to jump into the snow.
No, sort of something like that, though.
You're going to just follow the snow.
No.
It's cold out here.
Look at those fucking snowflakes.
They're huge.
Whoa. Oh, shit.
I think it's frozen.
Holy shit. I need a coat. I need a coat. What's the fucking point?
But Phil.
Ah! My hands are cold.
Oh. Almost exited out of the camera app. You can tell by the amount of voice cracks that he's hitting puberty. Puberty. God damn, it's cold out here.
Is this a rake?
It is. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing with this. I don't. They say no, we're supposed to be getting some freezing rain and some ice.
We're back and we both look ridiculous.
Yeah. I got gloves that don't work. He has a giant ass jacket.
It's warm. That's all that matters. Fuck Southern America. Woohoo!
I'm more of a Canada man myself than Southern American.
Oh yeah, he likes this shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't. I like when I can see gray. I like when I can see bright green grass. I almost said bright green gas.
Bright green gas. I don't think gas is green. Right.
Actually, gas is yellow. Kind of green looking.
So it's like green tea.
Lighter.
And it tastes a lot better.
Smells better too. So I don't know what we're doing. We could like find sleds or something and go down that behemoth.
No.
Why not?
I don't feel like losing my toes.
Why?
Because they're gonna freeze off.
No, they won't. Are you wearing shoes? No, you're wearing muck boots. So, holy shit! There ain't no way, bro. There ain't no way. What if there's something in there?
I'm holding this like an idiot because I can't hold it any other way.
If I get poked, you're liable. It is literally just solid.
Can Bill get up? Yes, he can.
No, I was trying to get to the bottom. Ah, it's cold!
I wonder why.
You gotta hold it like an idiot as well, because my hand's cold.
I was just pinching it.
Well, I'm holding it backwards, so... What the fuck is that?
Wood.
It's an engine.
Oh.
I did this.
How the fuck did he dent it? That much.
That exact same way. I was really pissed off. What do you mean? The coffin two's up there.
No. The coffin 2 is the this is the coffin 2. The coffin is the one with the car seat in it.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a shovel?
No.
It's fucking. No, it's a hole digger.
There's a shovel somewhere. Oh! Have I found the shovel? No. We don't need a shovel. We have technology. Screw. Oh, I almost said our state. Screw America. What the fuck?
There's one piece of grass out here.
He looks like the fucking Grinch in the in that one movie when he's like under the grass, under the snow.
In that one movie.
Oh, my car.
Started.
Huh?
Started.
I don't have the keys, nor is there a battery in it.
Oh.
The battery's in that Mustang over there.
Oh. Can't even see the fucking intake.
No.
That was good.
Oh my god, that is definitely 12 inches. Whoa. Holy shit, the car seems tall for some reason.
It's only about this much snow.
Hey, bro. Okay, I thought you were stuck in it.
Well.
Oh! More snow fell off. Let's open this door. Oh, lovely. This is the Derby car, by the way, guys.
Hang on. I want to do something. Does this door open? Yes. I'm going to slam it.
Why? Nice.
Why? Instant door window remove. Or something like that.
Hold the phone.
I almost dropped the phone.
That would have been fun to look for. I don't know where anything is in this car. Hey!
Neither can the viewers. Everything is dark except your hood.
Hell yeah.
Your hat, I mean. Getting snow in there. That didn't do shit.
Not really.
I should've got the rake that was up at the house.
Sorry, it's hard to move that shit.
There we go. Well. But I gotta get a fucking flashlight out to see this.
Okay. Right there. There we are. God.
Is it heavy or something?
Oh no, my air filter's gonna get wet.
Oh no.
How is that holding? that is a heavy ass hood.
Well, I guess there is a bunch of snow on it. Now it's less. No, No, there's a dent in it. No windshield. No windshield. Windshield. I wonder if the windshield wipers will work.
It doesn't have a battery.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's on my wrist. Buried.
What?
Both those to death.
Knife nickel.
With voice crack. The mirror's kind of falling off now.
It was taped up anyway.
Oh.
I hit a tree. Lovely laugh, by the way. Oh God.
What? Jump on it.
It has to be done. Holy shit!
Start jumping, boy.
I'm dying. I can't.
It's doing a lot less than you'd think. Also, the viewers can't see jack shit with the entire nothing that's going on.
Did you see the snow moving?
I see it a little bit.
It cracked. Oh fuck. I'm. Ah! I can't move. Bro. Oh! That hurt.
That was a spin.
Oh, my back hurts.
Bleh. Big solid lump of snow. I wonder. Oh, it didn't do shit. Man, y'all really can't see shit out here. Maybe we should start doing shit on the porch. Baron, I have an idea. Angry thrashing in the snow.
What are we gonna thrash?
That my cat steering wheel thing.
I don't know why I'm breathing so hard.
Probably because it's cold out here.
Yeah. I'm scared.
Why?
If this breaks, I'm gonna be trapped in like hundreds of pounds of snow.
It ain't that bad.
I won't be able to get out.
Yeah, it will.
I mean, if I dig my way up,
Yeah.
but then I'll just be stuck.
Nah.
I won't be able to breathe for a minute either.
I'm sure you can breathe snow. All it is frozen water
Exactly. No.
and air.
Haven't we already done crashing?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if that one.
No, we fucked one of a monkey this night.
Yeah, I don't think that was posted on this channel.
Nah.
So that means we can do it again.
I'll tell you one thing though.
What?
I'm warm.
That's surprising.
Well, I'm not in snow, really.
True.
I'm in maybe an inch.
Maybe an inch of snow.
Yeah. Well, we might not have full already.
Might not. And that gives us time to practice because we ain't put our instruments through all break.
Speaking of instruments, you need to take those home.
Yeah, we ain't played those yet. We kind of need to.
Who's we?
Huh?
Who's we?
We.
Huh?
Me and you. So we don't sound like shit on the first day back.
my god.
Man, y'all can't see shit.
It looks like you need a light or something.
Yeah. Oh wait, gloves don't work on touchscreen.
Here.
Where's some of our precious light? Because our power's going to go out here in hours. We're back, boy, with the light on.
We fought with this thing for way too long to get a fucking flashlight on and to get it re-recording because somebody got out of the app.
Listen, man, I got fucking gloves on, alright? And my hands are fucking freezing.
I have an idea.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna try to swim in the snow. That was a thumbs up, by the way. Wish me luck.
I don't think there's enough snow there. It's not working well.
So this is what's been done.
Yep. Maybe we should go inside now.
This is a snow video, though.
It's a snow video. I think we've covered enough snow shit for snow video.
Okay, bye, guys.
Yep. Actually, can I